Welcome to Saudi Arabia, the Dammam and Al Rashid Mall. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Vinod here again, back. So today I'm going to the Al Rashid Mall, which is just approximately 5 minutes drive from my home accommodation where I stay from Al Tubba. So be connected, and I hope everybody is happy and doing really good and yeah, fine. And yeah, let's explore the Al Rashid Mall and what are they and what we can do and what are fun things. And be connected, and yeah, stay tuned with me. This way connects to the Al Rashid Mall, so we are almost nearby there. Just we have to take the U-turn. So opposite side you can see this is the Hyatt Regency Hotel, and yes, we are. This is the Al Rashid Mall where we have to go now. So. So friends, I just arrived in Al Rashid Mall in the Mam area. Now it is time to enter into and see, explore what it is like. And before I go inside, I just love to show the scenario outside, how it is looks like, how is the entrance, what it is like. It's really beautiful, mesmerizing, and amazing. You must go and visit and shop here. By looking at these beautiful flowers, I was overjoyed and amazed and mesmerized because I love doing garden and plantation at home, but it's really hard time to do the gardening and planting at Saudi Arabia's home since it's a high temperature and the soil is different. But you do get a lot of flowers from outside of the countries you get into it, you can buy. And this is the Saudi Arabia's date trees look like. They give an authentic and beautiful Saudi Arabian traditional look to the malls, restaurant. If you come anywhere here in Saudi Arabia, you just feel like yes, I'm in Saudi Arabia, a type of. And you can look behind here all the Saudi Arabian dates plants they have here been. This is easy to grow here and they grow a lot more, and lightning, dazzling, amazing. And for the fact is the Saudi Arabia and the Gulf countries, they are the only mass producer of the dates across the global in a huge quantity. And you must try the Saudi Arabian dates. They are amazing and very tasteful, and that gives a unique taste you never taste before in your hometown country. If you ever happen to come Saudi Arabia, you'll love this. And here for the people, if you want to see the security and the people and the government, they really support the people who come from outside expertise. And they're really warm welcoming and nice attitude, and they love the people who come from outside Saudi Arabia to work or to explore or to visit and to enjoy as a tourist. This is going to be the main entrance of Al Rashid Mall. So yes, let's just explore here. And this is really, really beautiful, as you can see here. So I'm just going to take you there. So this here, yes, basically. So from here, I can go there. So I can so don't plan. This is also the shop. Isn't it really good to have under one roof all the brands, all the jewelries, food, restaurant, shoppings, everything? But it is the Al Rashid Mall is quite huge and big, but it seems it's confusing too much. But still, I know about this place a lot more. So let's explore what we can do here. But I don't have much to shop today, but I just came to fill in some videos or shoot here just to show you guys how it is the mall is all about. So now I was just thinking I'm in the ground floor, so I was just thinking let me go to the fountain area where it is. So I'm here now. You can see here the train which is standing just for the kids, or if somebody wish to go around, you can just go around in the train. You can just look at how beautiful and dazzling lightning of marble of this Al Rashid Mall. This is a clock type fountain where you can just stand and take beautiful pictures and enjoy here, just time pass type. But here according to the music it dance with the water, but it is not played regularly, but sometimes often there's a time, so it is really looks beautiful here. Now it's time to go upstairs with the escalator. So I'm going top side. You can see now from elevator it looks very beautiful. You can just see backside. And let's explore what upside. This is how it looks from the first floor of the Al Rashid Mall. You can just look at the floors. You can just rooftop. You can just the wall. And here also there is one more map for you to look at here where you want to go. And that's how it goes. And yeah, let's continue ahead. So now it's time to explore the first floor of Al Rashid Mall. Here you can see the behind the mobile guards or screen touch guards. You can just look at here. And beside here is the Beverly Hills Pulse. They're going to open here. I hope some more new shops. And there are a lot more to shop. And now we are going to see here the watch brands, which you can just see here. There are a lot of watch brands which is really expensive and really good. Swiss Arabian watch, you can just look at here the beautiful watch shows. Al Hamadi, this is also Arabian brand. They are beautiful. You can just walk in and you can just look whatever you want. The people are really nice and hospitable, and they really welcome you always. You can just see here the perfumes which are really different brands, lot of varieties, different countries. And I just happened to see here the beautiful stars from the sky of the rooftop. You can just really amazing. Now it's time to head towards the restaurants and dining area you can love and enjoy with your family. So now it is Gulf Chinese Royal Cuisine restaurant, I hope. So this is really looks amazing, fantastic from outside, as if you are in China, and it looks very traditional. But I have never been. Whenever I get time, I just explore it. When I get time, I get into that. So now you can just see there is something else to see here, that is Chinese, the beautiful temple or building. This looks very fantastic. This is the one I was talking about. I just loved the design and lightning. This look amazing. There are some more shops like H&M and Giordano to shop. They have a lot of discounts and buy one get one free offers are going on. You can just go and shop here. So now it's time to go and say goodbye to you guys, and this is now exit. This is how it looks, the exit I'm going now. So then from a behind you can look here. This is how it looks, and here you can see something. There's a Saudi guy, and here he just jumped into, and they are really amazing people here. Saudi peoples, they are really understanding and supportive, and they always really extend their warm welcoming always. So this is how it was the day. Now I'm waiting for taxi. Everything is maintained well here backside. Less people, less crowded, and social distancing maintained. And it is time to go ahead. I'm in taxi now, sitting to go. Thank you guys for being with me as a family. And if you like my video, subscribe, share, and like. There are a lot more video to see about Saudi Arabia, the Dammam area, Corniche. And if you ever happen to come to Saudi Arabia, don't forget to watch my videos, enjoy and share. Hope to see you again. Goodbye. Till then, take care.